In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to play Mario Run using the Ablenet Rock joystick and a button switch. I am using a 5th generation iPad version 16.3. Let's get started. I've already connected the Rock joystick to the iPad and programmed an external switch to serve as an extension of the red button. Ablenet conveniently provides instructions on how to do this on the back of the device, and I've chosen to use an external switch because I found it to be a little more accessible than the red button on the device. The joystick moves the pointer on the screen, and the switch serves as a left click on a standard computer mouse. Anytime I wish to select something, I will move my pointer over it and tap the switch to select it. Starting from the Mario Run title screen, I'll tap the switch once to begin. This will bring me to the home screen. To play a typical level, I'll move the pointer over the green tour pipe and tap the switch to select it. This will bring me to the World Tour Levels menu. Once there, I can select a previous level or the next available level by moving the pointer over it and tapping the switch once, then doing the same with the Start once the next screen opens. I'll start with World 1, Level 1. When the level starts, Mario is already running and I no longer need the joystick. I'll need to tap my switch once for a standard jump and tap and hold for a higher jump. That is all I need to do with the switch to make Mario collect coins, avoid falling into a pit, and if Mario ends up in a bubble, tapping once will release him. Once the level is complete, I'll need to use the joystick again to navigate around the screen and tap the switch once to select next. This will bring me back to the World Tour menu where I can select another level and progress in the game. That's all you need to play Mario Run with the Ablenet Rock joystick and a button switch. Check out my other videos to learn how to use other alternative access devices in a variety of mobile games. Thanks for watching!